Are you nervous for your piano recital? I get nervous for those too, but it just means that you care. And it can be a little bit scary, huh? I know a trick that helps, and I'm going to teach it to you right now. You don't have to do it perfectly for it to work either. Just follow along with me and say what I say. You ready? Let's begin. We're going to tap on the side of our hand just like this. And then you're just going to repeat after me. Even when I feel nervous, I'm a great kid. Even if I don't play my song perfectly, I'm still awesome. And even though it can be a little bit scary, it's just because I care. And I'm a great kid. Now tap on your eyebrow right by your nose, right at the top there. And you can use both hands if you want to. And just say, I share my music, even though I'm nervous. Now we're going to go to the outside of your eyes, right on the corner. And just say, I'm brave. Now we're going to tap right under your eyes on your cheekbones. And we're going to say, I am loved. Now we're going to tap right under your nose. And you're going to say, my music is worth sharing. Now we're going to tap right on your chin, right under your lips. And we're going to say, my talent is growing all the time. Now we're going to tap right in the middle of your chest, right at the top. Now say, people love to hear my music. Now tap on your ribs right under your arm, just like this. And say, my talent is impressive. Now we're going to put our hands on our heart and take a deep breath. Blow that out. Good. Now say, I am proud of myself. I am a great kid. And I am ready to have fun. Great job. I know you're going to do great.